I am Poobalan from first MCA at Dr. SNSRCAS College of Arts and Science. I am going to outline about light sensors. Light sensors. The light sensor is a passive device that converts the light energy into an electrical signal output. Light sensors are more commonly known as photoelectric device or photosensors because they convert light energy into electrical signal. Phototransistors, photoresistors, and photodiodes are some of the more common types of light intensity sensor. Principle of light sensor. The working principle of the light sensor is based on internal photoelectric effect, which states that when light energy or photons are bombarded on a metal surface, then it can cause the free electron from the metal to excite and jump out, resulting in electron flow or electric current. The emission of electron from the metal surface occurs only after the light reaches a certain threshold frequency that correspond with the minimum energy required by the electrons to break the metal bonds. How does the light sensor work? The light sensor consists of a very high precious photoelectric tube. Inside the photoelectric tube, a small flat plate is present that composed of two needle type tubes. The impact of light on the ends of the photoelectric tube when a reverse fixed pressure is applied results in the release of electron or electric current. The generation of electric current of the variation in the electric current demonstrate the presence of light energy. It senses light. The types of light sensor. Light sensor can be several types. These sensor can either generate energy in presence of light or various other electrical properties. The most common type of light sensor are photovoltaic cells, photodiodes, photoresistor, and phototransistor. Photovoltaic cells, like the name suggests, follow the principle of the photovoltaic effect for converting light energy directly into electrical energy. The most popular single junction silicon cell generates a maximum open circuit voltage of about 0.5 to 0.6 volts. Solar cells use selenium as a photovoltaic material. Apart from generating and storing electrical energy, photovoltaic cells also act as photodetectors. Photoconductive cells and photoemissive cells also provide a similar function. Photodiodes. The photodiode light sensor are diodes that change light energy into a flow of electron. Photodiodes are comparable to the common p-n junction diode, but instead of an opaque casing, these diodes having a transparent lens for focusing light on the p-n junction. These diodes are more sensitive towards the light with longer wavelength. Example, light belonging to the red and infrared spectrum, then the visible of ultraviolet spectrum. Silicon and germanium are the most commonly used material in such diode. Since photodiodes are sensitive to infrared light, they offer a lot of applications in medicine. Photoresistors. Photoresistors are also known as a light dependent resistor or LDR. Photoresistors are devices that vary its resistance based on the amount of light energy it receives. The lower the intensity of light, the higher is the resistance. Cadmium sulfide cells that is sensitive towards infrared lights are mostly used in photoresistors. Sometimes materials like indium, antimonium, lead selenium, and lead sulfide are also used. Photoresistors take a considerably long time of about a few seconds to respond to the exposed light. Phototransistors. Phototransistor can be referred to as a photodiodes with amplification. Phototransistors have a reverse bias collector base PN junction that is exposed to the radiant light energy source. Phototransistors are much more sensitive compared to photodiodes because of amplification. Phototransistors have bipolar NPN transistor with the base region electrically unconducted. Here the radiant light energy is focused on the base junction by a transparent lens. Phototransistors are widely used in mobile phone and automobiles. Thank you for watching.